Imagine a world where applications run without any downtime, fraud, control, or interference. A world where the power of technology is not controlled by a select few, but is instead shared by all. This isn't a far-off dream, but rather, the revolutionary reality brought to life by Ethereum. In the fall of 2013, a young Russian-Canadian prodigy named Vitalik Buterin introduced the world to a concept that would turn the tides in the realm of blockchain technology. Frustrated by the limitations of Bitcoin, Buterin envisioned a platform that went beyond a mere cryptocurrency. He imagined Ethereum, a decentralized platform that enables developers to construct and operate smart contracts and decentralized applications. The concept of Ethereum was first described in a white paper that Buterin published in late 2013. The white paper was a hit, garnering attention from tech enthusiasts worldwide. Its potential was evident, and a team of brilliant minds quickly assembled to bring Ethereum to life. This team included Anthony DiIorio, Charles Hoskinson, Mihai Alisi, and Amir Chetrit, alongside Buterin himself. Throughout 2014, the team worked tirelessly, navigating the complexities of blockchain technology. They faced their share of challenges, but the vision of a decentralized future kept them going. In January of 2015, they launched the Ethereum network's first prototype, dubbed Frontier. Fast forward to July 30th, 2015, a day that marked a new era in the world of blockchain technology. Ethereum went live, and the world witnessed the birth of a revolutionary platform that would redefine our understanding of digital currencies and smart contracts. Ethereum's journey from its inception to its launch is a testament to the power of vision, perseverance, and innovation. It is a story of how a simple idea can spark a revolution and change the world as we know it. In summary, Ethereum is not just a cryptocurrency, it's a revolutionary platform that enables the creation of decentralized applications and smart contracts. From the moment Vitalik Buterin published his white paper in 2013 to the launch of Ethereum in 2015, the journey of Ethereum has been a beacon of inspiration for tech enthusiasts worldwide. It's a reminder that the power of technology, when harnessed appropriately, can democratize power and open up a world of limitless possibilities.